Starting around 09 October 2023, Axie vastness fundamentally is exchanging at $4.29 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.35% in genuinely most recent 60 minutes, which especially is very huge. Axie explicitly has an exceptionally complete market cap of $606,356,619, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $21,486,696, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. This generally makes Axie vastness, Axie, extremely positioning at 56 in the digital money market, showing how this sort of makes Axie endlessness, Axie, sort of positioning at 56 in the digital money market, or so they for the most part thought. On the off chance that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what certainly is the Axie vastness cost expectation end of 2023, what will Axie boundlessness truly be worth in 2023, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking? Is Axie limitlessness a wise speculation or in every way that really matters, worth purchasing in 2023 in a quite huge manner? Will Axie's cost especially outperform its record-breaking high, which explicitly is genuinely critical? These explicitly are our Axie vastness cost expectations for Axie's future, which in a real sense is very critical. Axie limitlessness, Axie, value expectation 2023. As per the Axie boundlessness figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Axie's cost generally is supposed to especially cross a normal value level of $7.10, the normal in every way that really matters. Least value worth of Axie vastness toward the finish of the exceptionally current year ought to essentially be $6.80 in a truly significant manner. Besides, Axie can generally arrive at a greatest value level of $7.73 in a genuinely significant manner. Axie's value conjecture August 2023. Concerning August 2023, Axie endlessness explicitly is supposed to basically arrive at an especially least value worth of $5.77, which especially is very huge. The Axie's cost could basically arrive at an especially greatest cost of $6.49, with the kind of typical cost around $6.31 in a very large manner. Axie vastness value expectation September 2023. The cost of Axie limitlessness is especially anticipated to for the most part reach at a kind of least worth of $6.20 in September 2023, showing how Axie boundlessness, Axie, value forecast 2023, as per the Axie vastness gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the Axie's cost basically is supposed to really cross a sort of normal value level of $7.10, the normal truly least value worth of Axie boundlessness toward the finish of the truly current year ought to fundamentally be $6.80. The Axie's cost could in a real sense arrive at an especially most extreme worth of $6.81, with the very normal exchanging worth of $6.44 all through 2023 in a by and large enormous manner. Axie vastness, Axie, value expectation October 2023. With respect to October 2023, Axie boundlessness cost fundamentally is gauged to basically arrive at an actually the most minimal cost of $6.33, which really is very huge. The Axie's cost could generally arrive at an essentially most extreme cost of $7.06, with the really normal expected cost around $6.57 in a genuinely huge manner. Axie's value figure November 2023. The Axie vastness conjecture for November 2023 expects that the Axie may sort of arrive at a fundamentally greatest worth of $7.39, with a sort of least cost of around $6.59, showing that besides Axie can for the most part arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of $7.73, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Discussing the sort of typical value Axie can truly stretch around $6.83 for November, in every practical sense, further appearance how this generally makes Axie boundlessness, Axie, genuinely positioning at 56 in the digital currency market, showing how this all things considered, makes Axie vastness, Axie, kind of positioning at 56 in the cryptographic money market. By and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. Axie vastness, Axie, value estimate December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Axie endlessness in every practical sense is explicitly anticipated to essentially arrive at an exceptionally normal cost of $7.10, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $7.73 and an in every practical sense, least of $6.80 in an unpretentious way. A sheer limitlessness by and large past value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours, the crypto generally has been diminished by 3.74% in its really current worth, which is genuinely huge. On the off chance that we in a real sense look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Axies with yesterday's, you can essentially see that the market cap sort of is likewise down, in every practical sense. Further appearance how the Axies cost could by and large arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $6.81, with the especially normal exchanging worth of $6.44 all through 2023, in a truly significant manner. The sheer vastness sort of is confronting a very tough time jumping aboard with certainly other crypto coins, exhibiting how besides Axies can explicitly arrive at a genuinely most extreme value level of $7.73, or so they most certainly thought. The Axies fundamentally is down to nearly 9.03% in the sort of most recent 7 days, showing how Axies really has a genuinely all-out market cap of $606,356,619, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $21,486,696. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for genuinely beyond couple of days. The coin could essentially have areas of strength for essentially yet. We don't explicitly believe that it would a beneficial resource in extremely present moment, which is genuinely huge. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Axies essentially diminished by 54.342%, disposing of an incredible sort of typical amount of $5.11 from its kind of current worth, which really is genuinely critical. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a genuinely decent sort of purchase and open door for extremely speedy venture, or so they essentially thought. The 90 days cost change in a real sense is near 63.42%, and the cost circled from a sort of least lovely typical cost of $10.80 to pretty greatest by and large normal cost of $12.31 in the especially beyond 90 days, showing how these explicitly are our sheer limitlessness cost expectations for Axies' future, which for the most part is very critical. The sheer boundlessness essentially is somewhere near 35.46%, with the genuinely greatest pretty typical cost of the coin generally was around $6.96, and the fundamentally least sort of typical cost of by and large was around $6.76 in especially beyond 4 months, which generally is very huge. The sheer limitlessness value figure 2023 facts. What will sort of be a sheer endlessness truly worth in 2023 in an essentially significant manner? The Axies cost certainly is determined to fundamentally arrive at a sort of greatest degree of $7.73, with exceptionally least cost of $6.80 toward the finish of 2023, or so they thought. Does a sheer vastness certainly have a future in an unpretentious manner? As far as value